Right, welcome to another Riding Times on RevelatorAlf. Just getting on some more byways here, getting off-road. Oh, right, see where I'm going to go now. I'm going to go this way, I think. That way, yeah. Oh, should I get wet? Nah. Got enough of that already today. Okay, alright. See where my adventure takes me today. Oh, bit of a hump. Nice. Fire brake. Wow, it's a cool spot, isn't it? Alright then. Onwards! Wow, nice. Oh. Trails are plenty here. Nice. Wow. Okay, gone through here. Oh, look at this. Marvellous. I'm looking for another trail here. That's one I've already been on. This one, here you go. Let's go and have a look to see where this one takes me. Let's have a look. This might not be rideable. Oh, okay, hold on. Yeah, it's... Oh, it's a big tree there blocking the path. I think that's blocked, isn't it? Oh no, well, maybe not. Got a rut there, hidden rut. Wow, there we go. Let's see what this one takes me. Oh, been flicked all over the place here. Wow. Well, I hope you're enjoying this one. This one and this one. Let's go and have a look. Wow. How the bloody hell did I end up here? Alright, let's go this way. This is the way I came in. Wow. There we go. Different trails, same exit. Funny as. Right. Let's go this way. It's one different, isn't it? Wow. On we go. My pegs is. Yeah, let's get muddy. Woohoo! Well, they put trees across that one, yeah, okay. Nice, nice. Lovely. Nice. Just double back and I'll head down that trail again. Alright, there we go. David Brown tractor. Alright, down the hill we go. So pretty much this is where I started up. I came up this hill. My day's riding. It's one of the hills that I just couldn't get up a year or so ago, you know, when I had the road tyres on the bike and it was wet, and I got to this point here, I think up just a little bit further down. It's just steep and muddy and slippery, and actually, you know, on the road everywhere else it wasn't that bad. Actually, it was just this bit. You can see it's all you know, the canopy is quite thick here, so when the canopy is thick, yeah, a lot might not grow beneath it. However, the ground stays wet for a long time, you know. So actually, you know, I think it's around about this point here. This is where I couldn't get up, so it was actually still relatively shallow. Yeah, it's all going uphill, so now I'm coming downhill, so it's it wouldn't have been an issue anyway. There we go. Brilliant. Right. On to the next little bit, and then pick somewhere for lunch, I think. Yeah, why not? Well, onto this nice little bit of adventure then. That's a nice little promenade bit there, isn't it? Oh, that's beautiful. Right, okay, should we just head into this bit? Yeah, go on then. Amazing how much holly is about, actually. It's growing here with abandon. A reckless abandon. There we go. Look at that. Loads of it. Just in time for Christmas, eh? Everybody's talking about Christmas now. It's bloody October. It's the beginning of October. They're talking about Christmas. It's just like ridiculous. Oh. Weave my way through here. Nice. Well, that's the other bit of the byway. That's this bit. Okay, right. This is that bit I came through before. Just make sure that I'm just conscious of my pegs. That's it. Alright, made it. Yeah, very paranoid about my peg, unfortunately, as we're going through deep ruts. You know, as you can imagine, they get snagged and they get chopped off and stuff like that. So, bit of a pain in the old derriere, can be at least. Anyway, yeah, all good. I really should do one of my grumble videos about ruts, because I absolutely hate them. I work with them, I go through them, I do it, but I just don't like them. You know, it's just something that I think, well, what I'd much rather do, just be riding freely or just be trying to fight my way through a rut. It's just you know. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Well, all good here. Oh, bit of an exit point there. Easy. Aha! There we go. Donut boys are us again. Right, so this is coming to the end of riding times on RevelatorAlf. Hope you enjoy this extended one. And yeah, bit of stop-starty there, bit of backwards and forwards, sort of narrow trails and hills and stuff like that, but some decent byways there, some decent riding, you know, not bad at all. So just come down here, this is nice actually. Right, catch you on the next riding times, whenever that is, hopefully soon. Bye bye.